दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब के बटन पर क्लिक करें और चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें। साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि आने वाली हर न्यू वीडियो अपडेट्स मिलती रहें।
Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between lush green hills, lived a curious and kind-hearted little girl named Lily. Lily loved exploring the woods surrounding her village and often went on exciting adventures with her loyal companion, a mischievous but lovable fox named Felix. One sunny morning, as Lily roamed the woods, she stumbled upon a hidden glade she had never seen before. At the center of the glade was a sparkling pond, and on the other side of the pond stood a magnificent, ancient-looking tree with vibrant, colorful leaves. As Lily approached the tree, she heard a soft voice coming from above. To her amazement, she saw a tiny fairy named Ruby perched on one of the branches. Ruby had glistening wings and a warm smile that instantly put Lily at ease. "Hello, little girl," greeted Ruby. "I am Ruby, the guardian of this enchanted glade. Welcome." Lily's eyes sparkled with delight. She had always dreamed of meeting magical creatures. "Hello, Ruby. I'm Lily, and this is my friend Felix," she replied, gesturing towards the fox, who wagged his tail happily. From that day on, Lily and Ruby became the best of friends. They spent their days playing by the pond, sharing stories, and laughing together. Felix would join in their fun, chasing butterflies and rolling around in the grass. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Ruby showed Lily a wondrous secret. "Lily, if you make a wish with all your heart and touch the ancient tree, it might come true," whispered Ruby. Excited by the possibility of having her wishes granted, Lily closed her eyes, made a wish to spread happiness, and touched the tree's trunk. Suddenly, the tree began to glow with a soft light, and magical dust filled the air. The next morning, Lily woke up to find that the entire village was bustling with joy. People were helping each other, and laughter echoed through the streets. Lily realized that her wish had come true. The tree's magic had touched everyone's heart, spreading happiness far and wide. As days turned into weeks, Lily, Ruby, and Felix continued their adventures. They helped animals in need, sang songs, and learned about the wonders of the enchanted glade. But, as all magical tales go, time flew by faster than they wished. One evening, as the sun set, Lily felt a sudden sadness in her heart. "Ruby, I wish you could stay with me forever," she said, fighting back tears. Ruby gently hugged Lily and smiled. "Our friendship is a magical bond, and even though I must return to my fairy kingdom, I will always be with you in your heart." The next morning, Lily bid a tearful farewell to her dear friend Ruby. The magical tree shimmered one last time, and Ruby flew back to her fairy kingdom, promising to visit Lily in her dreams. As the years passed, Lily grew up, but she never forgot the enchanted glade and the wonderful adventures she shared with Ruby and Felix. Whenever she felt lonely or needed a little magic in her life, she would close her eyes, and in her heart, she would hear Ruby's soft voice and feel her warm presence. And so, the story of Lily and Ruby's magical friendship became a cherished tale passed down through generations, inspiring children to believe in the magic of friendship and the power of spreading